In this video, we will learn how to add daily time tracker in your Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the Home tab, then click on the Add-ins option and click on the More Add-ins here. The Office Add-ins dialog box is open, then select the category Education. In Education, sort by the rating here. So I select here the rating option, then search here the daily time tracker. Just click on it and you can see the description of the daily time tracker. You can read this and additional information also available. Okay, just click on to add option to add this daily time tracker in your Excel. Click on the continue and here you can see in Home tab the daily time tracker is added. Okay, same as you can see the right hand side of this Excel sheet, the daily time tracker is added. Now you can use this time tracker. Click on the start and stop to play. Use the lap time for the continuous time tracking. Just click on the start and you can see here the time tracker is added. Okay, the start is time is here added, start time. When you click on the stop time also added, and difference you can see here, the difference also added. Okay, same as I select the second cell. Now I just click on the start and click on the lap and you can see here stop time also added, difference, and again start time also added. This option you can use for it. Okay, it's automatically added everything. Okay, again start time also it's added, so you can start your work quickly. Okay, then click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the sum option available. So when you click on the any option, suppose record last 15 minutes, I just click on this option and you can see here the record last 15 minutes, its time automatically set as per the 15 minutes. Okay, and I want record last 10 minutes, you can see here the 10 minutes difference and time also set as per the 10 minutes. So you can set here time also, record time, record last 30 minutes. You can, if you want more minute, 50 minutes, you can add, you can just click on the plus and up to 50 minutes you can enter here the records. I just click on the record last 15 minutes and you can see here the difference 15 minutes. Okay, so this is, and you can case reference, you can enter here your work list and you can click on the start and start your work. After the work is complete, you can click on the stop. So this is the way you can track your timing, where your time is going. So it's really helpful to boost your productivity. So please add this add-ins in your Excel and work with this tracker. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.